So I'm in my car and I wanted to hop on today real quick and share my 2026 word for the year with you. Steadfast. Now I want you to listen. This isn't about me being perfect, and it's not about me having it all figured out, and it's definitely not about me pretending that I'm not tired, stretched, or overwhelmed. Steadfast for me means staying grounded in who God says I am, even when my life feels shaky, which is quite often. It also means holding on to purpose when my circumstances pull me off track. It means showing up with a steady heart, a steady mind, and a steady yes to the purpose that God has called me to do. This year, I'm choosing to remain steadfast in my faith, especially when doubt whispers out loud, steadfast in my vision, especially when my progress feels slow, steadfast in my consistency when distractions tend to pop up, and steadfast in my self-care because a worn-out woman can't pour into anyone and definitely cannot pour into herself. And so here's the truth. Being steadfast doesn't mean that I won't wobble. It doesn't mean that I can't come back to center. It means that I can realign, that I can pray, reset, and keep moving forward. So I want to ask you today, what is your 2026 word that's going to anchor you this year? Drop that word in the comments or message me because I'd love to hear it and I'd definitely love to cheer you on. So remember that we are moving into a year with confidence, clarity, and a whole lot of grace, and especially grace for ourselves. So stay steadfast, my friends. You've got this, and I'm right here with you. Until the next video, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon.